Taking a look at Microsoft, we know we have earnings coming up tomorrow at 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. It's very interesting. I sold my position, made $4,000. I just didn't want to take the risk, and I would have been upset if I was up $4,000. I didn't take the gains. If we get a pullback here, I'm looking for a move back to $400 per share. It's about a 7% pullback on these levels. Microsoft, it may break out. I could be wrong on this trade. I probably should have held a little bit of shares, but that's okay. I can always get back in tomorrow or during a dip if we see one during earnings. What I'm looking for now is, can we get a safer entry here? When you look at the 5-year chart, 342 had a bounce, and now we're getting that bounce at $350. Those are gifts. I'll take that 4,000 any day. Now, what I'm looking for is a scalp entry into this moving forward. Looking at the 1-month chart, it's clear as day. Let's go to move to 3D. If you go to the 3-month chart, you can see here there is previous levels of support around $392 per share. Now, I don't know if we're going to see that. We will find out. That's kind of a, we'll have to play it as it goes when the earnings happens. But looking here at 428, we're having topping resistance here. So it's either going to blast above this 433 into 450, or we get this pullback to psychological $400 level. It's already a 6% pullback. If we pull back to where I would love to get an entry, 392, that's an 8% move downside. That would be awesome. When you look at the 6-month chart, I do believe it is possible that we could break above here. Microsoft has been the lagger. And when you're looking at it, it's been lagging at all the Mag 7s here. $450 would definitely be a point of a first point rejection I'd be looking at. If we do blast up from 428 up here, it's a 5% move back up to 450. So just keep that in mind with those levels.